Are you ready for the challenge?
Absolutely. Let's see what this says. I'm seeking a foldable mountain bike, target weight under 15 kilos to test the market. Oh boy, suppliers really don't like that. Low MOQ, custom packaging and custom logo. Let's see what this AI agent can do for us. So I'm gonna type this in. Those are some really good questions. That's the kind of questions I would ask my client. Let's see how far you can go, mate. Okay, so it's doing the research now. It's looking into, oh wow, that looks very detailed. Okay, let's scroll down. It's got spec comparison. Wow, it's finally an AI that doesn't give me a recipe for banana bread when I actually ask for information. Come, have a look. This looks really interesting. So we have got MOQs here, we've got the weights, and most importantly, we've got the cost comparison, so we can actually see how the different materials compare. This is great data. This would take us ages to compile on an Excel. So let's go with aluminum for the frame, and let's go with a standard locking system and see what we get. All right, so our best option. So it's doing some research. Looks like it's finding some suppliers, and look at that. It's got a list of suppliers with pricing, MOQ, detailed specs. This looks really good. It's got the certifications here. That's amazing. So in Europe, you can't even sell air without CE certificates. So this is really useful because I don't need to chase my suppliers for the certificates. Back in the day, my clients would chase me, I would chase the suppliers, and we would be in this constant relay race. With this AI, that process is completely eliminated. So good work, my AI friend. Let's continue. Okay, let's give it a real test now. One that takes up all my time and consumes all my coffee breaks. Calculating the DDU costs. Okay, let's see what this gives us. Wow, it knows my game. It's given me the right set of questions to ask. Let's answer these. Okay, I think even AI is gonna need at least half an hour to do this, so I might as well go and grab my coffee. What? It's already calculated the landed cost. Come and have a look. This is insane. This used to take me like 2 full days. This is just crazy. It's already given me a range of landed cost. Love this. I see a little information icon here. Let's click on this and see what that does. Okay, it looks like it's taking me to the detailed calculation. This is something that we all do to calculate the landed cost, but even sourcing professionals with 10 years of experience get this wrong all the time.
Then what do you do as the next step?
Oh, that's a great question. Finding real factories, that's the next challenge. Trading companies will polish their profiles, they will borrow pictures from the factory, so it can be very hard to tell a trading company from a factory. We have a due diligence team that does this job. So let me show you, last month I was in EVU, that's my ticket, just to audit a factory. And it took me 2 days and obviously a lot of expense. So let's give this job to the AI and see what it can do. Okay, so help me find real manufacturers with at least 5 years of experience. See what we get here. Oh great, it's given me a very nice spreadsheet with all the details of the suppliers. It's got the landed cost, it's got unit price, all the specs. This is great. So I'm going to select some of the suppliers to ask for additional info. This is the part that I absolutely hate, because you have to do, there's a lot of tedious work. You have to copy paste suppliers, you have to change their names, and this is where I always end up calling Wendy, Sandy, and Sandy Catherine. So I'm glad I can automate this part. So with this, I guess the suppliers are going to take a while to get back to me. So I'm going to call it a day and come back, and hopefully after lunch I have some responses. So I finally had an extended lunch after a very long time. Let's see what this AI has done for us. So let's have a look. I have a notification saying I've got new messages. Let's click on that and go in there. So there's a nice little summary showing 5 out of 6 suppliers have already responded to me with additional information. I also really like the fact that you can organize this into projects here. So if you're sourcing for multiple products, you can just separate that. That's a neat feature. Great, so here I can send my additional inquiries. So I'm already loving this.
Okay, so what did you think? Did the AI mode pass your test?
I would say yes. Now only if it can charm suppliers to get us better payment terms, that would make it the employee of the month. I feel like with this new superpower, I can have more clients and consume less coffee. Thank you. So are we done? Okay, let me get rid of this.
So tell me, will you let your client know that you are using the AI mode?
So off the record, I am tempted not to tell my clients. This just makes me so much more productive that I need to now find real problems to solve.
Like what?
Like what to have for dinner other than fish and chips.